Good evening, friends. Swastik here again with daily market update. And from today, I will be suggesting few stocks also to you for the next day to trade intraday for intraday. So before starting, I will request you all to please subscribe my channel in YouTube. You can just type in my name and you'll get it. Uh, my channel herein you can see I have been updating daily the market update for the next day. So friends, without any delay, let's start. What's the market head for us today? At the very initial starting, I would like to delete this support line now because this is no more a support. I guess I will believe that this will be the support for the market now. That's 11,283. So let me draw a line there. So that's it. 11. Yes, this will be the support for the market in this week. And if I just see the upper band, for upper band I need to go a little back and I can see this. If I take my cursor a little back, I can see this level playing a very important role, that is 589, that is 600 rather, I'll say. So this small range I can expect this market to be for this week actually. So what has happened today? Let's see. Market closed on Friday at 11,371 and it opened today at 11,412 with mere 35 points up uh, of the previous close, and it has closed today 94 points above yesterday's, I mean Friday's closed, and it closed at 11,466. So let's see the hourly chart and try to find out what has happened in the market today. Yes, here we can see the market tried to consolidate in the first 3 hours, but after that it gave a good breakout in the 12:15 to 1:15 time period, we can see here. And at the closing also we have seen a good spike in the market, but the market closed at by making a hammer candle, and that's a negative candle also. So for tomorrow, if you ask me, let me see the moving average. For tomorrow we can see 11,432 will be playing a very strong support for tomorrow, because it's the 11-day moving average out there, 11,432. So anything, if we are long in the market, then we should keep this as a very strict stop loss for tomorrow, 11,432, and take our trades accordingly. So if we see the India VIX today, try to find out what is there actually. Yeah, India VIX today is below 9, below 20. It's 19.23. So VIX below 20 normally suggests that there is no fear in the market of going down actually, and it might be a very stable market in the coming days. We don't expect to see a huge movement in the market. Also VIX cooling, that indicates also the same thing. Let's see the option chain and try to find what is there interesting happening. The highest option OI is at 11,000 still, but I will rather say, by seeing the chart, 11,000 we can easily move above 11,000 now. At 11,230, I'll say maybe 11,200 will play a very crucial role in the market for this week. The highest OI is at 11,000 and the second highest OI is, okay, it's at 11,400. So that's the thing in the OI. There was an addition of OI in both the cases at 11,400 and 11,000 also. Let's see in the call side which has got the highest OI. The highest open interest can be seen at 11,500 only. It's 48,000, and people has exited this one today. 1,035 people have exited. The OIs got exited there. And the second highest OI can be seen at 39,000, that is 11,600. So 11,600 is what I am predicting the market to be by this Thursday, and I don't expect this to be crossed by this Friday actually. So let's see the PCR ratio now in option pane in Nifty. So if we just click at the option pane, yes, The option pain, as we can see, it's at 11,400. Yeah, let me bring it down to you. The option pain has increased from 11,300 to 11,400 today, and the put call ratio, just give me a moment, the put call ratio is now 1.14, which is again a bullish indicator for the market for tomorrow. So that's it, friends. Okay, now from today I'll be starting a new thing. I'll be giving a stocks view for the next day actually. So as we can see it now, just give me a moment. Yeah, Jubilant Foodwork, Adani Enterprise and the Bajaj Finance are the three stocks which I would recommend for tomorrow as a sell call. Yes, make sure that these are the sell call, not the buy call. So today's closing were at 2123, 248.7 and 3492.05 respectively. So tomorrow, if the prices are these, then we can make an sell at these prices tomorrow. If any time in the day, if we see Jubilant Foodwork or Adani or Bajaj touching the price which I have quoted there, then we can easily sell that one with the stop loss as given and target. So make sure ki we square up this trade at 315 tomorrow. So that will be what I will be expecting. If we get an entry in any of these, then we are exiting the call, exiting the stocks at 315 if the stop loss or the target is not hit in between the times. So thank you, friends, and yes, do remember Jubilant. Okay, what I will do is I'll just increase the size so that it becomes easy for us. Okay, so sorry. Yeah, just give me a moment, friends. That's hope now the things are visible. Yeah, let's stop us. Yes, I hope now everything is visible to you all, friends. It's Jubilant Foodwork, Adani and Bajaj Finance. Jubilant Foodwork 2145 is where we will sell. Adani Enterprise 251.20 is where we will sell, and Bajaj Finance is 3,526.27 is where we will sell. These are the entry price, these are the stop loss, and these are the targets. So friends, I will just update these things tomorrow in my daily view, and let's see what happened tomorrow to these three stocks, and I will be coming again with a fresh set of stocks tomorrow for selling next day. Yes, these three, I'm telling repeatedly, these three are only for selling. Thank you, friends, very much for listening to me. I'll be back again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Take care.